If you're having trouble scaling your ecom brand, it's probably because your offer sucks. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Steve. I'm the founder of Harbor Marketing Agency, and my team and I help scale e-commerce brands to over 8 figures in revenue. So let's dive in. So if you have ran any variation of the above in the past 6 months, this is probably why your marketing is not working. If you have tested 10% off, 15% off, 20% off, free shipping, 10% plus free shipping, 15% plus free shipping, 20% plus free shipping, that is the reason why your marketing is not working. And it's because those offers sound like what everyone else is doing, because they are what everyone else is doing. Every single brand out there is running no offers in top of funnel, and then you join their email list and you get 10% off, or you get 20% off, or a big promotion comes up. Maybe it's some kind of holiday, maybe it's Valentine's Day or Memorial Day or Labor Day or Black Friday, and they run 20% off, which they think is this big discount. But the problem is everyone is doing that. If you want your offer to actually stand out and you want it to actually sell more product, you need to get creative. People have to have never seen anything like it before, and it has to actually add value other than just a discount. Because if you're just adding discounts for your offer, the reality is that for discounts like 10% off, 15% off, 20% off, the people that purchase those offers were probably going to purchase anyway. And all you're really doing by offering those discounts is cutting into your margins and selling it to them for a lower price point. So some of the most successful offers that we have run in the past, this is one that we recently did for a client of ours who's a bird subscription box. And in their subscription box, they have toys and treats for pet birds. Basically what they did was they partnered up with a pet portrait company. And so whenever somebody purchased a subscription box for their pet bird, they also got a cartoon portrait of their bird from this pet portrait company. And so that was an offer that really stood out because it was different. It was something that people had never seen before, and it actually added value to their life other than just a 10%, 15%, or 20% off discount. So because of this offer, we were able to cut CPAs in half for nearly 3 months, and it was extremely effective. It added thousands of subscribers to their active customer list, and it was one of the best offers that we've ever run. Another example of this, when I was working in-house at a e-commerce subscription box company called Hunt a Killer, we ran an offer for a free notebook with purchase. And so whenever somebody purchased, this subscription box, which was a murder mystery subscription box where you got all these clues to a murder mystery case and you had to solve the case, you got this notebook to write down all of the clues and all of your ideas on how to crack the case. And so it was complementary to the experience and actually added value to what they were already thinking of purchasing. And that, again, was one of the most successful offers that I've ever seen. So if you're an e-commerce brand owner and you're looking for a way to incentivize people to purchase, think outside the box a little bit. Be a little bit more creative than just a discount offer or free shipping. See if there's a value add that you can offer. See if there's free product that you can include that's a low cost of goods to you that you can include and just kind of throw in with a purchase to incentivize people to actually sign up. That's going to be a lot more effective than doing what everyone else does, which is low-level discounts of 10%, 15%, or 20% off, and maybe throwing in free shipping. Avoid doing that. It's not going to work. It's just going to cut into your margins, and people want something that's actually going to add value and is actually a little bit more creative and stands out. So hope that helps. Be sure to leave a comment below if you have any thoughts, and subscribe for more.